we go into another section? Yeah.
Because I'm really looking for how it was.
Yeah.
How it was seen the 2011.
Yeah, I like to take some time looking at 4.4, really 20 through 23, because you guys, it seems like these can, once you get this, these are easy points on the tests and the final, but if you don't get it, it's really kind of, you know what I mean? It's not like you have to remember a lot of algebra, remember a lot of trig. You just have to remember what it is the derivative, the two different derivatives give you, and how that interpretation will help you with the graph. But it is a tricky thing. Okay, so on section 4.4, number 20, they tell you that the graph is of the original function, f of x. And they ask you, where do the points of inflection of f of x occur, and on which interval is f of x concave down. Okay, and so the graph, so you've got an A, a B, C and D seem pretty close to each other. We've got an E, an F, and a G. And the function crosses at A, and it has a max at B, something at C, crosses at D, has a min at E, crosses at F. So this first question in 20, it's not so bad. They're just obviously where the function is concave down is, you want to imagine it can't hold water. And they just want to know the intervals where it can't hold water. And so you should be able to conclude that that is on the interval from really negative infinity. It looks like it continues like this. I guess you can't really argue that it does. So I would be open to you telling me that from 0 to at C, it seems to have changed. It's changing its concavity at C, and it's starting to be concave up. So it's concave down, and then right at C, it seems to be concave up. So from 0 to C, it's concave down. And then that change, the point of inflection, really, you just look at the graph, and you can see that there does appear to be a change in the concavity at C. So we would say the point of inflection is at x equals C. Yes? Yeah, I think you could. I mean, you don't really have enough information to say whether it's C or D. It feels like to me that they want it to be at C, but I don't know. You know, just because they put C there, and so. But yeah, you absolutely have an argument that it could be at D. But it seems, I don't know. So that's kind of tricky because you don't know, you don't have any other information. Can I do the rest of these though? Can I talk about 21 and okay. So on 21 then, they say repeat exercise 20, but assume that